How to turn off Facebook sound and notifications on Android. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. Go to Facebook. Go to this 3 line at the top right side. Go to settings. Scroll to down. Go to notifications. Scroll to down. Go to email. Go to email frequency. Scroll to down and tap on require notifications. Go back. Scroll to down. Go to SMS. Go to SMS message frequency. Scroll to down and tap on required notifications. Close Facebook. Long press your hand on Facebook. Go to app info. Tap on notifications. Turn off notifications. So from now you won't be able to receive notification from Facebook unless you open the app. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and ask questions in the comment. Thank you for watching.